Welcome back to our channel Diabetic Delights, where we bring you delicious and healthy recipes tailored specifically for people with diabetes. In today's video, we have something special for you. We'll be sharing 5 quick and low-calorie meals that are not only tasty, but also perfect for managing your blood sugar levels. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. Before we jump into the recipes, let's quickly address an important question. Why is it crucial for people with diabetes to focus on low-calorie meals? Well, by consuming low-calorie meals, we can ensure that we're maintaining a healthy weight and keeping our blood sugar levels stable. This is essential for managing diabetes effectively and minimizing the risk of complications. Meal 1. We're kicking off with a delicious and filling breakfast option, a veggie omelet. It's packed with nutrients and easy to prepare. Simply whisk together 2 eggs, add a handful of sautéed vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms. Season it with herbs and spices of your choice, and cook it on low heat until it's set. This omelet is not only low in calories, but also provides a good amount of protein and fiber to keep you energized throughout the day. Meal 2. For lunch, we have a refreshing and satisfying Greek salad wrap. Take a whole grain tortilla and spread some Greek yogurt as a base. Add a generous amount of mixed greens, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olives, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Roll it up and enjoy. This wrap is not only low in calories, but also rich in fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats. Meal 3. Let's move on to dinner with a mouth-watering grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. Season a salmon fillet with herbs, lemon juice, and a little bit of olive oil. Grill it until it's cooked through and slightly charred. On the side, roast a variety of colorful vegetables like carrots, broccoli, and zucchini. This meal is not only low in calories, but also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Meal 4. It's snack time. We've got a simple and nutritious option, a yogurt parfait. Take a small bowl and layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of granola. Repeat the layers and top it off with a drizzle of honey. This snack is not only low in calories, but also provides a good dose of protein, calcium, and antioxidants. Meal 5. Last but not least, we have a delightful dessert, a berry chia pudding. In a jar, combine chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Mix it well and let it sit in the fridge overnight to thicken. In the morning, top it with a handful of mixed berries and a sprinkle of nuts. This dessert is not only low in calories, but also loaded with fiber and healthy fats. And there you have it, 5 quick and healthy low-calorie meals that are perfect for people with diabetes. Remember, it's always important to consult with your healthcare provider or nutritionist to ensure these meals align with your dietary needs and goals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly recipes and tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.